This floodlight camera delivers very crisp 4K 8-megapixel video with a genuinely wide 180-degree view, so you can cover an entire yard or driveway without needing multiple units. The dual adjustable light panels can throw up to 3,000 lumens of illumination with tunable color temperature, which makes it effective both as security lighting and as general outdoor lighting. Its onboard artificial intelligence does a solid job distinguishing people, vehicles, and animals, and the customizable zones help cut down on nuisance alerts around sidewalks or busy streets. When motion is detected, the combination of automatic lighting, a loud siren, and optional voice warnings provides a strong deterrent that feels more proactive than a basic camera alone. Local recording to a large capacity microSD card, network video recorder, or home hub means you can keep continuous footage without being locked into monthly cloud fees. Dual-band Wi-Fi 6, weather-resistant construction, and the choice of hardwired or plug-in power make installation flexible for different homes and mounting locations.